most students turn their educational path by considering non-suitable advices from others. Some students for example, every student has to make an important decision in choosing a suitable subject stream in A level. Some students follow their friends and some students follow their siblings or other fellow students. But the particular student may be good in another subject stream and may face difficulties by following the course as he or she does not choose a suitable subject. And another example is subject selection in university. When we enter the university, we have to choose a subject combination with 3 subjects. Usually we ask our seniors or lecturers or teachers. They advise us through their experiences only. They tell us this subject is very easy, this one is very, very hard, this is very useful to you, so choose this. But freshers don't know anything about the subjects in university, so they may choose a wrong one. So his or her future affected by the wrong subject selection. And another and some of students deciding on their own and select a private course, pay a lot of money for the course, and after 2 or 3 months he or she realized that the course is not suitable for his or her, and the student wasted time and money. So by the above examples, we all know that students face a lot of problems in deciding their next step in education or career. We all face these kinds of problems. Unless they select a suitable path, they may get more and more difficulties in their every step in their life. If we are thinking in institute side, they also face some problems. One is the first problem is how to reach the students. For example, if an institute introduces a new valuable course, the students may not follow the course due to lack of knowledge about the course. And the other one is they need a lot of money for advertisements. So students and institutes face a lot of problems. According to get a good solution for their problems, we have introduced Alosan. Alosan gives best and efficient solutions for students. It is always free for students, so all students can use our system without any barriers forever. If an institute will join with us, they don't need further advertisement and can easily reach the students. So they can earn a lot of profit through the increased student admission. It's a web-based system. Students, administrators and institutes are the stakeholders of our system. Next I call upon Ms. Sahila to continue the remaining part of her presentation.
Next, I am going to focus on how this system works. The main components of this system are student, institute and the administrator. In this scenario, we will see how the system works with these 3 components. If a student needs any help for his or her further studies, he or she conduct Alosan and select from these categories given. A-level subject selection, internal course advisors, external course advisors, career guidance, advisors about private courses, etc. If a student select one category, then he or she will get more information about available courses, duration and fees of courses, institutes, address of institutes, name of the institutes, available allowed students, library, laboratory, classroom and internet facilities and so on. The student can register any course in our system that registered in our system through Alasagan. In institute module, if any institute want to get our this service, they have to pay firstly. Then only they can manage and promote their courses through Alasagan. This Alasagan will always a good advertising system for institutes. By this registration of students, by this registration, the institutes can gain more and more student admissions than normally they have obtained. In administrator module, administrator will connect the students with an institute that the student would like to follow any course in an institute in our system, and he also moderate the messages and comments from well-wishers. They comments by using OpenID. Next, Divida will cover remaining part of this presentation.
Now we focus on business value of our system. Our system is always free for students. All students can use our system. So demand for our system will automatically increase. And if we consider institutes have to pay an amount to register in our system, and then they have to pay an amount either annually or monthly they wish. Next, we have some plan to promote our system for sustaining. First, we see how to promote our system among institutes. We give our service free for 3 months to 10 institutes who register first in our system. And if an institute add more than 10 courses in our system, we will give an discount for further courses. And if an annually paid institute want to drop out within 6 months, they will get a percentage of amount in their annual payment. So most of the institute will join with us. And next we see how to promote our system among students. If a student register for a course through our system, we will give a percentage of amount in their admission fees for that particular course. And we will conduct only online quiz competition and give prizes to the students. Through this, we can easily reach the students, and it helps to create our user base. And another way of promote our system is advertise about Alasagan via mobile phone messages. These are the promoting activities we decided to do to reach institutes and students. Next, we will come to the conclusion. In Alasagan, we use a knowledge base so that it will be unbiased and respond instantly with efficient solution, and it is free for students forever. So it will be a fruitful system to both students and institutes. Thank you.